a second. Might have to start OBS. Alright, I think that should have worked. Alright, looks like we're in there. Alright. Good morning. So we've been on live for about 28 seconds. That's great. Alright, let's go ahead and hop on live on the Discord. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. There's only 3 people on here, but good morning, 3 people. What's up, Tyler? Good morning, man.
Oh, it's always what are you doing, but never. I don't want to put you in 7 positions, but you got a lot on your mind.
Sometimes I hate the figure page. Oh, she kills me. All right, going live here. How was your guys this evening? Hopefully you guys got some rest. Yeah, hold on 1 second. Just changing this real quick. Alright, guys. 0 sleep, it's 2:23 a.m. Where you at, Tyler? You're in Hawaii right now, correct? If I remember correctly. Make sure you get some rest, man. Even if it's naps and stuff like that. Make sure you get that rest, dude. It's super important. But I feel you. I feel the hustle. All right. Hawaii. That's right. Yeah. So. Bug fella? What the? What does that mean? Excuse me. Ooh. Oh, I was like, what? Well, we got some swings that we're looking at. If you're looking to join the Discord, man, just go through the Simple Stacks Investment website, and you'll get a free trial with that included. So if you want to hop in the Discord, just hop in there. So link is should be in the bio and Twitter. But it's just www.simplestacksinvestments.com. So, all right, we're waiting for everybody. We're gonna post this here. All right, we are on YouTube, so if you guys want to hop on there, we'll get to it. We did see the Baba move, yeah. Yesterday was a great day, and I hope you guys had a really good, especially some of you guys who joined us in the morning. I hope you guys had a good morning from YouTube, because yesterday, a lot of the stuff that we talked about ended up happening, so it was pretty cool. All right, so let's go check on our swings before we do anything else. All right, so D-Nut still moving up, hit that $17 mark. Might see a little pullback today. We're okay with that one. We just need to make sure it stays right there above its 200-day EMA, and we are still in trend. So we'll set an alert on that mark. Right? We'll set an alert here at 1535. Right. And then we're going to go ahead and look at DDD. Okay, so far so good with the swing. What is our logic on this one? Looking for a nice curl up, push above that $30 mark, hopefully. So, with hopefully this as a projected resistance. So, what are your thoughts on Pfizer? I have call options expiring this Friday. What's your strike price? That has a lot to do with it. If you're in profits, it's always good to trim exposure. I actually have this chart marked out for you if on YouTube. ETC. Watch this one go to 295. It has a bear flag on the 200-day EMA on the daily, so it's not looking really great. But if you can get a bounce here, broken downtrend would occur at $2.94, and of course at the psychological number of $3. Let's see. Oh, you can hop on YouTube, you guys can hop on wherever. It doesn't matter. If you're in the Discord, you guys don't have to get on YouTube. If I appreciate that support, that's awesome. But you guys don't have to. That's why we have the Discord. But. Okay. So I know some of you guys swung by Baidu and Baba and stuff like that. Wanted to kind of see where we're at here in pre-market. Ooh, money moves. All right, so if you guys bought and sold or bought those 145 calls on Baidu, you're looking pretty good. Oh my God, guys, look at this. No hands. Look at this line. Look at my resistance. I'm not crazy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And you know what? Baba to the downside could be really good too. Not gonna lie. Baba was a great gap up. Anytime there's a gap up like this, and be sure to hit this link if you guys want to jump in. But you are at a downtrend, right? And so, and it's not a higher time frame downtrend, but it is a downtrend nonetheless. You did get a bounce off of that, the 160-ish level, 152, and your downtrend, your lower time frame downtrend occurs at 170, right? So you are up against 169.21. That's up against, and if you look at my screen now on YouTube, you'll notice that the actual angle of this resistance is showing an immense amount of respect. Now, anytime I see a gap below us on an inside day, I know I can't say for, dude, this is absolutely insane, dude. These Team Bull trading guys are they're still coming after my page. That's crazy. These guys are literally sitting in here obsessed. It's so crazy. Anyway, my biggest fans. But anyway, nice and consolidated up against that resistance. That is amazing as far as a pre-market move, but also shows a lot of respect for that downtrend. So I may take that to the downside. We'll see. What am I watching at open? I'll watch Baba. I'll watch Baba, more than likely take it below 168. And then I'm not quite too sure if I'm going to go crazy and take this one to the upside. Maybe 170, 175. It could be a place to, take this trade, but I know they're fans for real. I bought my call options for 50-50, but the stock dropped under 50 this morning in pre-market. I've never taken it, of course. This is so weird. You guys are so weird. You guys see this though. I'm glad there's other people on here to see this. This is Pfizer. If you want to look at my chart on Pfizer, you'll see what I have. I have further consolidation. Now, consolidation I had a little bit of a Cuban accent there. Consolidation, like Manny does. But with Pfizer, it looks like it's stuck in a kind of a consolidation pattern. Bilateral pattern here, so it can go either way. I hate saying that when it comes to stocks. Right now, the strength is in the positive direction, and I do believe you will end up with another retest of $50. 50.85 is my mark on that one. And if you take a look at Pfizer on my chart here on YouTube, you'll see this, that you can rewind it, pause it, screenshot it, so that way you have it for yourself. But Nvidia. I said what I said last night, and granted that we have gotten a gap up. I posted yesterday that right here, I believe, I posted that Nvidia pullback potentially right here, and that was a little bit early because it still kept going, right? It's important to remember that downtrends, right? These trend lines like this show where we will stay in trend. But this gap up, gap fill already, the bounce could come on Nvidia around 217.42, but it could also, because I think retail is very heavy onto these Nvidia and AMD stocks, I think that Nvidia pulling back around 215 with the current condition or current setup that it has is not out of the question. That, if you go look at the hourly, would more than likely trigger some sort of flag type setup, but still allow you to stay in trend. Everything as far as volume is concerned is still doing really well. Momentum is really well. Social sentiment is looking really good. So everything is in favor of Nvidia. I would not short it. I wasn't going to short it last night, even with that reversal pattern, which ended up being correct. It extended itself a little more, but in fact is now in that reversal. So. Nothing at all. Hold on, I'm trying to see. Guys, if you want, it's just easier to hop on the YouTube so you guys can actually see. But all right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get it going. I'm gonna take a look here at our news. Just recap over what data we have. Economic data today. It's the 24th, so we have new home sales. This is kind of the chart here, guys. If you don't have economicbriefing.com, I'm about to do a whole video on them because I think it's one of my favorite sites for just exactly what you need to see. But anyway, new home data comes out today. It is high impact, but it's probably not going to affect the market in a way where we're going to see a major pullback. But more data coming in towards the end of the week that could definitely impact something like that. So, all right. So right off the bat. Opticy says he's convinced I'm a market maker. I'm not, my guy. I wish. Yo, new. Let's go. That was gangster, dude. I'm not gonna lie. That was pretty sweet, dude. That new swing, if you guys have, we have been on PaySafe. Everyone keep an eye on this. Lots of room for growth. Yeah, PaySafe has a lot of room for growth. Thanks, Ryan. Who's Ryan? What's Ryan? You look like a tank, dude. I like your colors, black and orange. Man, it looks like you could punch a hole through my chest. Cliff. Yeah, 24.12. It's probably more than likely you're gonna see the $67 or 60-cent mark in that $24 range. So. I'm not a market maker on new. It's just a simple breaking downtrend, guys. Definitely taking profit on new, guys. Another awesome swing. If you guys are in profit, you can let a run. But that's why we do what we do. Cliff, I do think could see a little bit of a retest, but is ultimately in a downtrend after hitting those new highs. And you'll also notice that Cliff trades in a really, really wild looking setup. So check that out. If you go to the YouTube now, you'll see the chart that I have posted on Cliff. And that is where it seems to be respecting the most. So that's a nice channel too. So break of the channel floor, break of the channel resistance, and you can take it to either side. All right, so let's go ahead and, oh, I'm sorry. I do not have Cliff up. I'm sorry, I'm looking at a different chart right now, or at a different screen. I apologize. I will post that in just a moment. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get to some of the top headlines for this morning, just to make sure we have this taken care of. Facing division, the U.S. House Democrats are postponed vote on a $3.5 trillion Biden plan. The Democrats in the U.S. House of Representatives postponed a vote to advance President Joe Biden's ambitious plan to expand social programs as liberals and centralists remain at odds over which parts of his agenda should get priority. U.S. VP Harris meets company executives in Singapore to discuss supply shortages. The U.S. President Kamala Harris have met with company executives in Singapore to discuss supply shortages of essential items that have plagued the Biden administration and contributed to inflation. South Korea has set to curb Google and Apple commission dominance. South Korea is likely to bar Apple and Google to require software developers to use their payment systems, effectively stopping them from charging commissions on in-app purchases that first as such curb tech giants by the major economy. With holidays around the corner, Walmart starts last mile delivery service. Walmart's launched a delivery service to other merchants throughout the United States, and an announcement that comes as a good sellers scramble to secure deliveries ahead of an all-important holiday shopping season. And remember that headline. Also, the person who was looking for Cliff, I'm going to put that chart up for you. So this thing was in a crazy type pattern like that, but it's pretty obvious that you're trading in much more of a channel here. So you can see the channel, rising channel here on Cliff. So it's just a matter of watching where that, and it looks like that HMA, so you see that HMA, everything's getting real close. So you could start to see a pullback, especially below 2250. Yeah, of course, not a problem. Okay, so anyway, continuing. So far, Wall Street bets futures have risen, and Asian stocks ended higher, boosted by a full FDA approval of Pfizer-BioNTech's COVID-19 vaccine, while market participants awaited the Jackson Hole Symposium expected to convene later this week. European shares edged lower, the dollar steadied, and gold was slightly down. Oil prices rallied on bullish demand outlook as Mexico has suffered a big production outage. A couple of earnings we have today as well, in after hours to keep an eye on. Go check this out. Anytime Internet, thank you. So today, it's the 24th, so we have Best Buy, Pinduoduo, QD, Nordstrom, Intuit, and ORPH, Urban Outfitters, to name some of the bigger ones, Advanced Auto Parts. But other than that, a relatively quiet earnings. More earnings to be reported on Wednesday and Thursday, but also more data coming in. So a lot of volatility, lubricant, if you will. So I swear that's got to be the funniest tweet I've ever seen in my life. Not really, but we should NFT the entire food supply, so that way if natural disaster is ever happened, wiping everything out as we know it, at least the food will still be safe and secure on the blockchain. What did you say? Said you and Uncle Joe. Good morning, everybody. We actually have a Sony swing. Actually, Sony, I don't know if you guys saw, but they put out the trailer. The trailer leak came out, and Sony just said, let's go, and dropped their... Yo, let's go! I'm sorry, I haven't checked Sony this morning, but let's go! That's why I swing Sony, guys. That's why I swing Sony. One of my favorite day trading swing trading stocks. I haven't even checked this thing this morning. So that's new. That's Sony. So far, all swings look to be opening up green. That at least I've seen. So come on in. Come in. see you in a little bit. Alright, sorry guys. Had to say good morning to my daughter. And she chooses odd times to wake up, so. Oh my god, dude, this team bull trading is still on my TikTok right now. They're like in my channel. You guys have heard me talking about them for a while. They're getting a little creepy with it now. So anyway, Sony. Did anybody take that Sony trade? Yeah, there you go. You ran out of BP yesterday. Yeah, this was an incredible swing trade, guys. Looks to potentially go higher, so we'll wait for a pullback. Let it do its thing. But if you're long on Sony, I might hold on to that. I don't seem like I fit in that white jacket behind me. Well, you're wrong. Okay, I fit just fine. Okay, all right. Shut up. I'm just kidding. Who even says that? Lead you to victory? This isn't a war. This is not. This. Very svelte. Yes. Thank you. All right. So anyway, swings so far all green. We'll see if we get continuation. Sony so far probably going to end up being one of the better swings. I'm stoked about it. You're stoked about it. Everybody's stoked about it. All right, make sure we set an alert on that one. Atlas coming in. Thanks, buddy. All right, let's see what Benzinga Pro is talking about. So it looks like ORPH getting a price spike here. I'm going to go ahead and throw up 52-week highs. I will be doing a video, guys, on how I utilize. In fact, what I'd like to do is once all of the admins are using Benzinga Pro, once we get this, which will be probably within this week, we'll pass out the login. So everybody can, after a while, kind of give an idea of how they use Benzinga Pro. But CEI, as you can see, so this is the kind of stuff that attracts my eye when I see multiple new highs in a short period of time. It lets me know that there's volatility there and that I can potentially take a look at it as a potential trade. So Camber Energy already is showing a little bit of strength here this morning. And what I usually do is I'll set alerts, just random alerts at certain price marks. And that way I kind of get an idea when this thing starts moving outside of that scanner. So. Oops. Okay, let's see, it's 8:44. All right, so let me go ahead and take a peek here at you guys' question on YouTube and stuff. Tate says, can't trade today, but I'm going to be looking for more swings and multiple day holds until I can get my school schedule fixed. There you go. Since you mentioned Cliff, can I check out X? Yeah, of course. But off of that Spider-Man trailer, I don't know, because the Black Widow did push a little bit, but I'm not quite sure. Yeah, I'm back on my swing trading shit though, for real. That was. I saw the leak. It was an accident. The internet forced me to do it. Yeah, no, if you don't mute him, I kind of like it. It's making me laugh. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a peek at X really quick. All right, 4-hour time frame here. That's not preferable. All right, brother. Well, from what I can see here, in my humble opinion, I think that it's not too far-fetched to say that with this type of setup and this type of reversal, that this is likely going to play out more of a bear flag. It does have a bit of a like a curl to it, right? And you do have the 9-day moving average respond to that curl. So if it gets above 28 bucks, that's where I would say you have the potential to reuse this, and this will happen quite often when something changes trend, but use this support net turned resistance as a resistance on your way up. But otherwise, below this 20-day moving average in a downtrend, I would suspect below 27.30 that you would continue trending down to the 26.50 level, maybe even 25.90. Yes, I am going to be trading. If we can get to 50, yes. Let's go, buddy. Yeah, of course. Is it a bad idea to market order my option calls? Yes. Don't do that. I'm just kidding. But seriously, please don't do that. Is the quality of the video right now as blurry as it is? Is it blurry for you guys? Do I have a connection error here? It says my connection is excellent. Yeah, if we get to 50s. 50, yeah. Right now we're at 21. Okay, Mobo, Jamia, sorry. What the hell just came out of my fingers? Alright, well, this, before we get super excited, we gotta remember where we're at as far as the chart is concerned. So what this looks like was, whether it just been traders or not, it looks like you've got buyers trying to step up and push this over resistance. Of course, we've seen JMIA kind of take a beating here after earnings, and a lot of the times it does because it's still got a lot of issues. But seeing where it's at, for me, the HMA, right, the 500 HMA is a major trend-setting support resistance. This comes, like with any resistance test, you usually get, you know, buyers anticipating a potential break, and they'll buy into that. So right now you're seeing what looks to be a potential rejection, but above that pre-market high is where really things for JMIA could end up taking off. All of your major moving averages here are here, and if you end up getting climbing above that, you would probably end up having an EMA crossover. Now, JMIA is one of those growth stocks that went from, the first time I bought it was around $9, and then I remember buying more after earnings around 12 and 13, taking this thing all the way into the 70s, and then obviously this thing has just bled and bled all the way down. And so we're kind of at new lows, almost near those IPO levels, or not IPO levels, but those earnings levels back at that $12, $13 range. Thank you. So what I'm going to be looking for here with JMIA is just I just want to see volume. I just want to see a strong break and downtrend, and then we can start taking a look at it for potential swings. So you do see the wick though here. You see the bodies, the rejection, the 9-day moving averages are going to come and hopefully usher this past. So okay, so it's 8:50, guys. Gonna make sure take a peek at all of these. All right. see. Yeah, right? Okay, sorry guys. Alright, so let's try to see if there's anything else I need to be looking at. Alibaba sees a rebound. Hong Kong shares jump 5%. Try to see if there's any updated China news here. So, why are shares moving on Alibaba, Baidu, Chinese stocks? Alibaba shares are moving now based off of the news that Chinese authorities are planning further regulatory actions on large tech firms. That actually could be good for us. So, yeah, that's pretty incredible drop. So, hey, how's it going? Mr. Main dingus, maybe, yes. These early morning streams has my wife asking who's talking in the bathroom. Oh my god. Why am I in the bathroom with you? Get me back in the living room. Just kidding. I'm paying attention to comments on both, guys. I'm watching both. So if you guys comment in the Discord, I'll see them. It doesn't matter where you comment. So it would be cool to have a board that shows all comments, but we're not there yet. What I do, I'm gonna have some tech like streamer guy come over and basically just show me how to do all things streaming. Well, I gotta be honest with you guys. I will be looking for some potential scalping. I may take one trade on the small account, right? Small trade, not anything crazy, but a small trade. If I could end up getting, just a even little 10-15% gain, I'll be fine. But I also want to let you guys know that this is the point of why I do what I do. I am a swing trader first, and I would say less than Rolly, right? Rolly's going to be holding for longer. He's looking at longer term trends. For me, one of the most lucrative things that I have found in the market is I know that most people are looking to scalp the bell, right? So if I have a position in a company that I know is liquid enough to scalp at the bell, not only am I going to be able to take profit on positive movement to the upside, but for the most part, buyers will step in and my contracts will inflate themselves, allowing me to take profit with IV and not just... Well, thank you, man. Appreciate you. But yeah, so I maybe just kind of not sitting on cash, guys, but looking for more swing trades, because this is what I have always been the best at, and this is why I enjoy doing what I do. I like having no minute work days, right? A few minutes. I like waking up, taking my money, and then watching the market for the strongest trends rather than feeling like the market's sucking me in because I need to make a trade. When I wake up and the trade has been made, that is a good feeling for me. So that's me. That's a personality thing, right? Because we're building a style or a trading plan that works with our personality and availability. I'm available all the time. So obviously I could be doing all sorts of different trading, but I don't become a more profitable trader sitting at my desk longer. That's a fact. It doesn't matter how long you sit at the desk, you can still sit here and make. In fact, I would say the people who sit at their desk the longest probably make the least amount of money. That's probably a pretty ballsy statement, but I'm willing to stand slightly behind that, because you got to think that most people are over trading. If you're doing what you're supposed to do and you're taking profits and you're not being greedy, which comes, guys, I'm not a stranger to it. When you have a small account and you're trying to get that big home run hitter to hopefully put you past, right, that small account, everybody wants to take the small account and put it in a place where it can have its own foundation. That in itself is, just do it the right way. Just know that if you do it the right way, you will be able to have the leverage and the BP in order to take some of these higher profitable scalp trades that happen in the morning. But I will tell you guys, and I'll quit ranting because it's almost 9 o'clock, but when I have seen in real life a hedge fund managers, multiple of them, try and do small account challenges and fail miserably, because it's a whole different game having $150,000 to start, right? And having people to teach you the correct manner or to manage large amounts of money. But to actually have the discipline to look for high, like, it takes a lot of work. I'll just leave it at that. It takes a lot of work to make a small account grow, but it's less time at your desk, more time like studying, asking questions, paper trading, something. Paper trading isn't going to give you that emotional aspect that you would normally want to have. You need to feel it, you need to be able to feel it, but it will give you that mechanical process that you're looking for. So all right, let's see here. All right, let me alert everyone. Most everybody kind of hops on towards 9:15. So, all right. Looks like we're getting Baba spiking down. Oof. Was I right about that, or was I right? But I was hoping that it would take a little bit longer. Okay. That's actually pretty crazy. All right, so let's go over this right here, and then we're gonna go over our major ETFs. But so this is a gap, right? This gap has been filled. That doesn't mean that we won't continue to the downside, because this is still pre-market movement. But I have noticed that, and let me show you why, right? So I can show you evidence, right? I'm not just saying stuff. This is for real. Baba, right? In pre-market,
it's 9 o'clock.
wicks up, fills its gap, right? So closing out any potential for further upside, right? No rebound here. Immediately more downside, right? You retest the same level you break, more downside. This, right? Because we still we have something positive to go off. China stepping in, some type of regulation is likely to happen. We're opening the day up against support. Okay, so above pre-market highs, 169.89, basically 170. But this wick signifies to me that there's buyers present, and also that this gap can go basically unfilled. It can continue moving to the upside. So not even a gap and go, but a quick gap fill and a run. So. I don't know who was bringing up PaySafe, but PSFE is spiking up quite a bit. I'm seeing this one on my my scanner here. I'm gonna send alert at A84. So, all right, let me check your messages here. CEI Quinn, I don't know if you remembered. I don't know if you heard me last time. I see you're on live. Is that an NFT? Is that your little NFT guy? Because that's fucking adorable. I'll give you $250,000 for it. I'm just kidding. I don't know how I said this word, but that is super cool. I'm making my own NFTs right now. Working on a whole series. So if you guys want to make one, I think I'm gonna do like a fun, like outside of the market, like NFT workshop, right? So you guys go work on it on. We don't have to like see each other, but we can at least hop in live. I'll have the Q&A open, and we can go from there. Tuna, I snuck you in here, dude. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at SPY. We need to see where things are moving here in pre-market. So far, for the most part, guys, I would expect a wick down to 445.89. A lot of the times when the 9-day moving average, and you can see that here, is far away from where the stock is at currently, you'll go for a quick retest. So far we do have what looks to be like a flat line on this resistance. Can I have my, thank you. Boom. Okay, so right now we need to pop up and over 448.60. 448.60, but I wouldn't be surprised if we see an initial wick down 447.85. So far, data coming in from the economic calendar is set to come in at 10 o'clock. So anything that could be affected by that, or as far as the market is concerned, I don't think that data is going to have too much of an impact. But looking at the hourly, looking at this setup right now, I'm suspecting that we see a little bit of a pullback rather than another leg up before we see a breakout. So yes, Tyler, I can see your messages right now. Let's start trapping NFTs. Yes, if you guys, dude, just do it. Like we saw Bitcoin leave. We saw all this stuff happen, guys, and a lot of us got left just waiting or watching it happen and then feeling the worst FOMO in the world. Eddie, did you take crowd? Or did anybody take CRM? I don't think anybody took that crowd call, but no big deal, dude. I'll explain NFTs in a way that's pretty easy to understand, so. Good job, I opened. What software you use? I use a Blender. Oh my god. That's funny. What do I think of a BWA bounce? Can I check TTCF? Hola. Good morning, Eric. Good morning. Hey, Dabaginator. Dabinginator or Dabinate. Wait, hold on. I'm going off the rails here. I think it's the Dabinginator. That's what okay. All right, we're good. Just had to pronounce that. Okay, cool. It looked like Dab. It's like this guy likes dabs, or he's a dab guy to just be doing the dab dance or whatever. All right. Good job. I opened a 5x leverage position in BABA yesterday when it was down 2%. Oof. Sheesh. It's pretty hefty, my guy. You guys need help on NFTs? Straight up, guys. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, absolutely. I'd be happy to show you guys. Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, but welcome, man. Welcome. Canoe, also worth watching, guys. This one's spiking up here in pre-market. Watch that one above $11.75 and $12. All right, so anyway, with SPY, we got that one kind of pent up, came in on the inverse head and shoulders. Same story with the Qs, guys. You guys got my sentiment on this one. Doesn't mean that we can't see another leg up, but I don't buy this shit yet. So I'm just throwing this out there, guys, that I expect a little bit of chop today. The SNL about NFTs. Yeah, that's fucking hilarious. But anyway, yeah, me and Astro actually or Atlas are working together on an NFT as well. So anyway, for the Qs, I'm expecting a retest of 370, 262, that 20-day EMA here. You are flagging. There's a potential for another retest, but this is how we have previously performed and behaved up against this channel resistance. So I am urging you guys to be very careful. I think SMH, the semiconductor ETF, you can already see here in pre-market, showing a little bit of signs of reversal. It's not like the most preferable candle you'd like to see here in pre-market, and I think that not QCOM, but AMD and NVIDIA could see a small pullback retest before seeing continuation. Yeah, no problem. Hey, good morning. All right, so let's look at BWA really quick, and I'll go back to Borg Warner. That is a head and shoulders, my friend, and unfortunately that is very much a bearish continuation pattern, but you are at that support in order that you need to bounce. I wouldn't say that a retest or bounce of the same level you broke, which is around 44.50, is out of the question, but until it breaks that, you can actually just go ahead and start off of that high, draw a downtrend, and as long as it stays under this line, it is going to remain in said downtrend. So you can play the bounces back up to the retest, or you can play them down. I'm not really sure. Yeah, Chinese stocks are getting. Yeah, NVIDIA is definitely going to pull back, I think, at open, and I think we'll see some continuation on Chinese stocks. So Palo Alto is ripping. Why is all? Because Microsoft and big tech is heading to the security conference today. So there's a security conference. All right. TTCF. Tattooed Chef has a gap to fill. The gap gets filled at 1965, so I would be out of positions around there. You are bouncing off of a major support, so you could see continuation here. But again, you know, even if you wanted to run these highs like so, this is a massive indecision. We don't know what the hell's going on. So I don't really like the stock for anything other than a scalp. Doesn't look like a great long term. But it could go for that gap fill back up to that. And if you notice, this is right where this pattern splits directly in half. That's your linear deviation. And that's where you're likely going to retest. So Apollo had earnings with an amazing beat. That's why it's ripping post market. Nice. What's up, Blake? I never lose. I either win or I learn. I like that. Mueller. Thanks for your tips, man. I appreciate that. All right, so Snow pre-market just made a new high. It looks like I just got a yeah. Look at Snow. So Snow is actually in the gap fill this morning already. Could see a push up to 285, 284 today. We'll watch that one. That's only with tech relief. So, but right now pre-market high is up there. So IWM. Again, guys, all major ETFs look like they may go for, they're testing that top resistance, and IWM is right there with it. IWM has very little room to push. I think 221.31. If you break 221.30, past that, we're looking for the mark of 222.50 in order to kind of hold and leg up tomorrow. You are coming off of a double bottom, but looking at the downtrend and looking at the support, you could go for further consolidation, which would play into the rest of the sectors that we see up against resistance. As far as the Dow is concerned, I think the Dow is kind of just sitting, you've already gotten a gap up. If you go down here to the hourly, we talked about where we kind of opened and ended yesterday. We have a gap below us. That gap starts at 35 are 352.75, and then the gap above us, which is at 354.30. And both, they have gaps to fill both to the up and the downside. So it's just going to be a bullish moving average break for me. The 9-day moving average on the hourly more than likely will put you back down to 352.40, and then potentially for the gap fill all the way to 351.40. So what are my thoughts on Pfizer today? You have 10 contracts expiring this Friday. That just brings me up snow on deviation set. That's funny. Yeah, I was talking about TTCF is on a linear deviation inside of a symmetrical triangle. Guys, before you get confused, like, I know big words and I'm like super like linear deviation just means the center of a pattern. It just is if you can cut a slice of cake in half, then you know what a linear deviation line is. Just have to say it out loud with confidence. It's more or less speaking to channels. You get a channel division split in half, and you'll usually see that. So, PSFE. Yo, guys, I may go ahead and grab some PaySafe along with one of those fallers that we just had talk about it. This one is making a rounded bottom here. Watch this one past $9. $9 could be a mark to watch for PaySafe. All right, so we got our major ETFs kind of lined up here. It's okay to set alerts on them as well. Right, it is 9:13. Where are we at with the stream right now? I need to learn more about after hours trading. Yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff that can happen with after hours trading. So AMD, we went over this morning. Hourly HMA, 500 HMA right here. I would suspect either further consolidation or a pullback slightly to 107, 108 level. Right now, SMH is breaking downtrend. I think it's probably best to set an alert at 109.95, and with, of course, the break of 110. 110 was my target and has remained my target for the majority of this rebound here. So I'm watching AMD to potentially use this, and if it does bounce here, it will establish a new resistance, and that target will be 111.35. But of course, NVIDIA having all of the social sentiment, it makes for an easy target for shorts in the semiconductor sector. So it could end up seeing a little bit of a pullback, or like I said, further consolidation. But above 110.25, strong volume, I think that we could see some continuation on AMD. So there's alerts set there. I'm going to go ahead and section off. Oh my God, Tesla. What is this? See, this is TradingView. Sometimes it like brings in all the lines you ever drew, because I've erased this chart like 9 times. Those of you playing Tesla, now this is of course with market cooperation, but we are trading in what looks to be this channel here. Boom. I am suspecting that we could see Tesla back up at around, I said 750, but even 745 is a reasonable target. All right, so I got my swings up, okay. So we got, hey, what's up, man?
How are you,
I'm good, good. Just watching pre-market stocks, and Shopify introduces new in-app shopping experiences on TikTok. That's not to be joked. Oh my God, Shopify. Shopify on the watch list as of now. That is the kind of, that is amazing, because TikTok is the best platform to advertise, period. Also, I'm going to show you guys these headlines right here. Facebook TikTok war continues to get steamier. Ooh. TikTok recently launched a new creative toolset called TikTok Effects Studio to help developers build augmented reality effects for TikTok's short-form video app. Facebook, Snap already offer such tools to develop AR experiences to launch their own respective family of apps. Snapchat launched a $3.5 million fund in 2020 for the AR lens creation. That's fucking, excuse me, that's hilarious. That's good shit. So I wonder if you'll see Shopify pop and you'll see tech maybe are like those big advertisers, but Shopify has now wicked up. Now you could say it's broken down trend if you lined it up here, which I would agree with to an extent, but I still see the target right up around here, around 1525. What's a stop loss? All right, I'm gonna tweet that really quick. Sushi, you're so fast. All right. Anna, you asked for Microsoft. I apologize. I just missed that. Okay, so yeah, Baidu. Oh my god. Jeez, dude. Let's see. Yeah, every single one of the swings that we have so far is green, so I'm hoping.
You mentioned BDD yesterday, and I took it.
You did?
I didn't let me have earning as well.
Yeah, we're okay. Nucor was a really good swing as well. So that one, this is exactly the kind of price action that I'm looking for. But Cat could also be good at the bell to 211.17. Yo, Canoe is, I keep getting alerts on Canoe, so don't sleep on that one. So for Microsoft, Anna, we're inside of a extremely elongated channel, and this channel just got screwed up because of my chart. But this channel has been basically existed from pre-COVID dump, established by the first initial uptick, and we are up against that resistance. Now, the longer we sit flat, the more room that we give ourselves to move to the upside. So with Microsoft sitting flat like it is, right, it gives it more room, based on just the angle of resistance, gives it more room to the upside. So maybe further consolidation here until the space between resistance and the price action currently gives us enough room to push into the 110 level, which is where I think that Microsoft may go. So I think it's just pretty simple. Set a 305 alert, 306 alert, and make sure that you have a wall on that. Remind me never to put the SEC as a source of data. That is annoying. Best Buy looks like had good earnings, and they were trading a little bit higher. So we'll keep an eye on them, but they got a pretty big gap. Tuna, I got you logged in, dude. Cool, yeah. Remember to leg into positions on things like PaySafe. Don't just go full steam all in. Remember scaling It'll save you. All right. Let's see. It's 9:21. Oh shit. CRSR. Corsair. Corsair Gaming is in a long downtrend. So it's pretty simple. Set a downtrend, run it off of your high. So it looks like Corsair above 27.75, and you should see some continuation on that level. All right, guys, it's 9:22. All right. You guys remember, or if you guys are in any of the swing trades, okay, I signaled DNAT. That one's a hold, okay, above anywhere above 15, 60, 16, 20. I'll let you guys know. Sony is August 27th. We got that one for $80. I would highly recommend. I would highly recommend taking profit on that one. As far as DDD, and guys, I will not be on for like a crazy amount of time today. This is the reason why I trade this way, so that way we can have more time, and that way I can meet with people today a little bit during the actual trading day once I'm done. So, anyway, so new core green. If you guys swung new. And you guys average, I agree with Top Shelf. Pfizer still has some gas in the tank. It just needs to consolidate. Just give it a little bit longer to consolidate. But new core, guys, that's a trim. All right. So DNUT is a hold. DDD, we'll pull that up right here. DDD is a speculative hold. Now, we got those contracts for cheap. We are going to be green, but not by much. These are speculative contracts that are relatively inexpensive, so I would highly recommend that if we do not get a bounce and it goes below 29.24 and really 29 even is the bounce level that I'm looking for on DDD. If we don't bounce there, I'll take it I'll cut those contracts. Kathy bought more DDD yesterday. Hell yeah! If you scalp NVIDIA at the open, which isn't a terrible idea, if you scalp that at the open, you need to be very careful. 217.50 is absolutely a bounce level for you. So 217.50 is where I would be careful. So just to be clear, just so everybody knows, I'm gonna go ahead and write this down in my chat. We got 5 minutes. I am taking profit on Sony. All right. So you guys heard it first. You guys can leave runners if you have them and can afford them. Holding DDD on live. And holding DNUT. TP new. So that's CEI. Yes. Did you get it? Did anybody in CEI this morning? All right, watch CEI here. Camber Energy is starting to curl just a little bit. I'd like to see some news on that one, but Best Buy, yeah, interesting. You know, be also really sick is if LG would send me my fucking monitors back so I can use them. Yeah, AMC's on a launch pad. Watch it about 37.50 today with volume. ROKU. Jesus, that's a 5-minute candle, but that's strong. Be careful, because look at that previous, look at that. It did the same thing here and faked out, and you could see that same movement. So be very careful, guys. All right. It's about you swung what? Oh, you swung a cheap call on Roku? Nice. Roku could go. Oh, you know what? I'm lying. Yo, I'm lying. Roku is actually a potential great trade. Look at this setup on the hourly. I like it. I actually really like that setup. All right. All right. Yeah. All right, we got a few minutes left here. Yes. Yes, but also look at the falling wedge that it's coming out of. On you can see it on the hourly. It's clear on the hourly. Sorry, I'm just pulling up my trade manager really quick. Hold on.
What up, G?
Hey, what's up, brother?
What's going on?
Just getting ready to take profit on these swings. All right, guys,
Yes,
fingers
sir.
on the trigger. Did you take new or anything with me?
I took the new course from with you, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, so let's go ahead and get ready, guys. Have your swings up. Have your fingers ready to go. Triggers, don't be greedy, guys. We're in a weird market right now. We got to take what we're given and be grateful for it. So, yeah, NVIDIA just hit 250 and wicked off. So, it's okay to sit on cash here. Don't lose money unnecessarily. You need to have a plan before you enter any trades today. Remember, if you're in a small account, it's more expensive to play a week out, but it's safer. We're not going for home run hitters to change our life in one day. We're just going to make good solid money with the accounts that we have. And if we try and go for home run hitters every trade, we will bleed ourselves dry. Every time. What expiration do you have? I have next week. All right, we're live. Oh my God, Nucor, please TP. Oh my God, baby, let's go. NVIDIA just broke that 200. Beautiful. All right, 3D's holding a little bit here. Oh, Nucor, let's go! I'm all right, sorry. Oh my God, dude, I'm out. I just took profit. I've got one contract left on Nucor. One contract. That was the original entry we were down on. We averaged down. Your contracts aren't updating. No big deal. You might end up making more money here, I think. I don't like the gap below you. That's why I'm taking profit, because it will go fill that gap. I don't know. I think it has more juice in it. If you guys are in Sony, watch this. See that? Take profit, baby. Take profit, baby. Yeah. Let's go, dude. I love swing trading, man. Oh my God, Nucor.
Baidu's going.
Yo.
Yeah, by Win Casinos is doing alright too.
Congratulations on Nucor.
Fuck yeah.
That's 125. Target absolutely destroyed. Snee! I couldn't even take that, dude. I just typed Snee in my as a chart because I was dude, Shopify. No. No, dude, Shopify's running off of that TikTok news. Absolutely skyrocketing right now. Look how inflated the calls out are, even to 1640. The calls are hyper inflated right now. Oh my god, I'm on this August 17th. Okay, 1630s are 450, but that's insane.
For this week?
Yeah, yo, Nucor is still going, dude. The runner. Let's go, man. Oh my god, dude, I love it. Yeah, Roblox looking to try and it just rejected pre-market highs. All right, I'm out of Nucor here, guys. Beautiful swing. Sony, I'm out of that one. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut that DDD. Once we get to support, if we don't bounce, like I said, it was more of a speculative call, but I'm looking for a bounce here at 28.75. If you're crazy playing shop right now, guys, it is primed to rip. So we're going to watch the 1 minute on that one and wait for breakout setups here for potential scalps. There's NVIDIA fall. Yeah, NVIDIA is more than likely going to fall like that after a substantial run. I would be waiting less. I don't play things necessarily against the grain. Now, if you just scalped NVIDIA, amazing job. You've likely got 12, 15, 50, maybe even 12, 15 even. All right, watch Shopify here for a potential re-entry. If you guys TP'd Nucor, that was the top. It hit 126. And you should be good. Done for the day, not chasing anything. 50% on shop calls. Shopify, Snee. Good discipline, stepping away when you're green. I love it. Okay, there goes shop. I missed my entry. Roblox. All right, looking at Roblox's chain. Roblox. We're going to go ahead and look at the... I like the 86.50 or the $86 call, but I'm going to go ahead and wait just 1 second. Going to take a look at what I got going on here on the hourly. All right, target would be 86.78 or 75 and then 87.50. It is coming out of an inverse head and shoulders, and so far the volume is okay. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to enter this trade. And I think small accounts could grab one.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in at on the 86.50 contract for Roblox. I got that filled at 202. So let's see if we can get some good movement here on Roblox. That's so far the only new trade that I have taken. Now, let's go ahead and keep our eyes peeled on NVIDIA. Everybody remember to breathe. Don't forget to breathe.
Keep an eye on Airbnb.
Yeah, I was just watching Airbnb.
Yo, Sony was so fire. I love Sony. Shopify, guys, do pay attention. Watch the 9-day moving average here. Feel free to let me know what you guys are watching, guys. I'm just in Roblox right now. Just watching Roblox. Good movement. Hey, where'd the money, baby? All right, if you guys are scalping, it's okay to trim. Otherwise, let's go.
Team, I think this is the specialty of Astro.
Shit. Give a shop a minute. Go ahead, Georgie. Interrupt me.
No, nothing.
Okay. NVIDIA. Watch NVIDIA's bouncing. NVIDIA's bouncing here, guys. I wouldn't. I'm not going to take that one. 217.
The auto, Hive Day, Lee.
Lee. Oh yeah, I see that. Wow. Airbnb too.
Yeah.
TSP. What's that one making new highs? Roblox still holding up really well, man.
There's one call 84 for this week. This
Eight.
game.
For what? Roblox?
Yeah, 176k.
For an $84 call?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. They're going in the money on that one. They're gonna exercise that. Baidu $155.
Yeah, I do.
Is that gassing it?
It's going, yeah.
Oh my god! Dude, that's what we talked about! Let's go! I love technical analysis. Sorry. I drink a lot of coffee. Yo, watch Baba too. Baba looks better. It's delayed.
Really?
Oh yeah. Dude, Roblox baby, let's go! Green all around! Let's go! Dude, when I get excited is when I really start to sound like a dork, so please excuse me.
Airbnb looks good, dude.
Yeah. JD got some volume.
Yes.
Yeah, but Baidu, what? Sorry.
Alright, feel free to take some profit off of Roblox. We're gonna hang on so far. Volume's looking great. Shopify. Do you watch Shopify? We're okay. Right here. I'm watching it tight. Baba though. Baba's worth watching.
Going, man.
Oh man, my baby.
My God, if anyone took Bob with me yesterday.
Yeah, no, dude. Anybody. Let's go, man. Let's go. Bat crackers, baby. We're off early, dude. Let's start that NFT workshop early. Let's go. Roblox, $1 in the money, baby. Let's go. JB, done for the day. Awesome, man. Amazing. Yo, I got small account. If you guys took Roblox, you got a nice gain. That's a really awesome gain. So we're gonna be watching this one, but I'm really stoked, guys. This is if you're feeling super stoked, take profit. Seriously, if you're feeling stoked, take some profit off the table. I'm gonna go ahead and trim out of a little bit of Roblox on my bigger account. I'll leave this contract here. Gonna watch Roblox. I didn't like this candle here, I'll be honest with you. That was a long wick. That was almost a 50-cent pullback here on Roblox. So we'll see. That's somebody taking a short out at 88. So let's see if we still have some juice.
Yeah, Airbnb's going too.
Oh, I didn't even think about that. DD. But DD still hasn't gotten really great. Oh my god. Yo, DD, dude. Oh my god. That's a big green dingus right there. Yo. Roblox, don't do that. If you guys want to take profit, totally do so. No, it's okay. No, if you held longer, or if you held for when you held, that's fine. This can reverse on us, so I'm watching heavy. I don't like these candles, but in fact, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and change my screen. Watch NVIDIA low of day. All right, guys. What are you guys looking at?
Airbnb, bro.
Yeah. SPRT. Someone on YouTube is talking about it. If we don't bounce here on Roblox, it's not good. I don't like that at all. Come on. Is Cardano popping off right now? No, it's dumping. What the fuck? That's because I bought a little bit of it last night. Thanks, Fablin. Yeah, feel free to take a little bit of profit off that. I'm waiting for to see if we get a bounce here. I think I just can't imagine us moving out like that. But like I said, I have a contract left here, so we'll see what happens. JD $80 calls coming. Oh my God, JD is Chinese stocks are the move today. Apparently.
Yeah.
Fuck Roblox, don't you do it. This thing's about to stone cold reverse on our ass. I'm hoping we get it. It's flagging. Let's go look at the 5. You should be green though, regardless. Yo, Nvidia down to low of day. How's Apple? Probably not great right now, yeah? Wait, why? Snap's falling hard. That's why we're pulling back, I think, on Roblox too. Apple's testing 150. It's about... come in. Hold on, baby. Yeah, make sure you hedge yourself if you're in anything. There's the bounce on Roblox we were looking for. I need to see continuation from here. Come on, come on, come on. Buyer, step up. Hold on one second.
What's that? Yo, Airbnb 152.
How was the open, man?
Pretty good.
I just hopped off a call. I didn't even get to check out what happened. Scared or Georgie on? Or is it just you, Heck?
Garrett and Georgie, I think they were both here a minute ago. They may have hopped off for a minute.
Yeah, I didn't realize I just muted myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
I'm good. What about you?
Not too bad. Just looking at seeing what's... No, I just thought that whole work fall. I didn't get to catch the open.
That was nice. Keep an eye on support.
SPRT.
Yeah. And
Did-
funny I got in again.
Did it halt? No, it didn't halt.
Alright, this is one 5-minute candle here on... I do not like this candle on Roblox.
Make 10%. Didn't make 10% move to hold.
Come on.
Let's pull back in almost everything.
Pull back on everything.
Yeah, small pullback.
Apple's up against resistance now, breaking, going for 152. Yo, watch this one. Apple's got it for today. I don't know if Roblox is going to go any further. If it can't get back above $87, then it's trying right now. Yeah, it really needs to. There we go. That's what we need to see. Because I think it could actually really move. Tesla. I have a 650 call on Tesla. I swung it though.
650 or 750?
Oh, BA, which BA? Boeing.
Boeing. Snow is moving. Game is moving.
GameStop.
DraftKings.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut Tesla.
DraftKings going hard right now.
Yeah. All right, watch Roblox here, guys. There we go. Let's go for the wick fill, baby. Let's go for the wick fill. PLTR.
Airbnb.
Hey.
Yeah, I grabbed the 155 Airbnb call. And
Oh,
that was
volume looks great on that.
Yeah, I'm up 100% on that.
PLTR looks pretty good, man. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I wouldn't anyway, but like, it looks great. Oh, Visa. I think this one's gonna gap and go, but be careful. Don't play this one long. Because we saw what happened with PayPal yesterday. But just watch that one, guys. I'm just letting you guys know I'm not over trading. I am green as hell from the swings alone. So our entries today on certain stocks, obviously pumping from the lows. No way, lemonade's pumping. I'll take a sip before I go. What's up? Because I'm about to end the day a little early myself. I don't like that. I don't like that, Roblox.
Roku looks like it might be setting up for a bounce. I'm watching it right now.
Roku has a phenomenal setup. I'm not sure if we're gonna get a bounce here on. I'm trying to play Roblox to the upside, but I don't know if it's got the juice right now.
Roblox, I think it's got some. It had some, like some decent sentiment on Twitter this morning. I was seeing it popping up quite a bit.
Okay, this is gonna take all day. This thing's gonna take all day to do this. Look at this pattern that is setting up on the one. Not all day.
The wick on the 5 is nasty, and dude, it's off of I don't know what
88.
that. Oh, it's R2. It's R2.
Yeah.
So.
So let me show you. No, that could be wrong, but let me show you my. I can tell which key I just spilled coffee onto. There we go. So that's what Roblox looks like right there. That's the 1 minute time frame. So I imagine it's going to make a 5 minute flag. So it'll continue to consolidate likely. My stop loss is going to be 85 or 86 even. I'm green enough for the day to kind of have tolerance on that one. I'll take an $86 put if it breaks below, but it just has too much of the setup on it is too stupid.
I don't think it's going to stop, Georgie.
Yeah.
Anytime soon.
160 to be.
Yeah. If you know what, if Roblox reverses on me, I will take that L. I will straight up take this loss. The setup here is amongst my favorite, and I can't do anything else but just pull the trigger and watch price action. Other than that, like, this is literally like a great setup. I love it. So, I mean, the 4 hour, I don't like how far away we are from our moving averages that we always retest, but it'd be kind of cool if it didn't do this shit. Already made some coffee. Beautiful.
Dude, Baba paid today.
Yes, it did.
Baba paid.
Dude, did you see Nucor? The new swing?
It had a news this morning?
No. That's the name of the company, Nucor. So it sounds like I said. We swung from yesterday, 120, right? Dude, it hit 126 this morning.
Please tell me you took profit at the top.
Of course. I literally was screaming. I said, yeah, everything was profit taking today. Just BA inverse. Oh, come on. I know Roblox has got the juice. Those kids are buying skins, spending their parents' money.
Good. I'm Boeing, Georgie.
ORMP? What's happening on that one?
ORNP.
It has a decent setup on the 1. 5. Let's see here. I don't know anything about that.
Is it ORPH or ORNP?
That's YouTube told me that.
RBLX 154.70.
Yeah, bro, my 155 is about to go on the money.
Dude,
260%.
That's the trade. That's gonna be the trade today. You're gonna see Airbnb all over the place today. With that kind of volume, dude, I've never seen Airbnb with this kind of volume before.
You think maybe that the economic so we have new home sales that came out today, and that data was okay. Maybe not going to show me what it is. That's fine.
I didn't know we had those numbers today.
Yeah, we have new home sales. That actually comes out at 10. In 9 minutes, take profit on Airbnb. I'm just kidding. But maybe seriously, because it has directly correlates. But anyway, then tomorrow we have durable goods, sex transportation, crude oil inventories, nothing really directly affecting spies. But unemployment numbers come out on the 26th. Really
fun.
Yeah, no, data, all the important data comes out Thursday and Friday, and all of the reasonable earnings are on Thursday and Friday, so let's go, Roblox, baby. Let's go. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a happy camper today. Yesterday, guys, I decided not to trade. I sold puts on accident instead of buying them. How do I get out? How do I buy out the puts I'm selling? Okay, you need help. Nadim, you need to purchase the same amount amount of puts that you sold. So figure out however much, same strike and everything. Buy those back. You should be able to click on that position and click close. It depends on the brokerage, but you should be able to click close, and that will allow you to close the position out. It'll just give you those contracts loaded up. It'll already say like, all right, Roblox has to bounce here, guys, or I'm gonna go ahead and take profit. Stupid. Oh wow, I just split my screen in half. Cool.
Not physically, I'm assuming.
No, she didn't. Yeah, I don't like.
I just took profit on Airbnb for 300%.
Dude, let's go.
Bro, why? Just go for 4.
Yeah.
I will.
Georgie, all right, there we go.
That was a 155 call that I got when it was at like 150, bro.
Oh, dude, it's gonna go to 155 easily. Yeah, it's got it. Did you trim or did you take profit on the whole thing?
I got one runner, but dude, I got them for $50 each. They're at 250 right now. 260.
Oh my God! Sony just hit 103 without me. That's okay. No FOMO, guys. We're okay. Everything's fine. Alright, I'm seeing what other people are saying about revised revenue figures. See Roblox jumped to a rule of 40 score of 95. Okay. Roblox to the effing moon. Roblox.
15 minutes ago, Fly on the Wall came out and said Airbnb has unusual call option activity. And that was at 9:40 is when it came out. And it's made a $2 move since. Wow.
Oh my God, whale stream.
So, Garrett.
Yeah.
Snow High Day.
Damn, I called that one this morning. I forgot about it. Damn it, dude. Roblox is in trouble too, man.
That was insane. That pullback was like.
On snow? That was wild, bro.
Damn, Garrett. That's all right. Nope. No FOMO at all, because literally everything hit. But I can't catch them all. You know what I need? I need
Pokemon.
I need like 3 or 4 people to like, fuck, dude, Snapchat and everything is falling, and Roblox can't move up with the fucking with tech doing this shit. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get it, guys. I'm hoping Roblox runs, but ROKU, this already came into our chat, but ROKU 827 call. What's the strike? 370.
327?
370.
320. Oh, 370. Gotcha.
Roblox, do it! Do it! I'm sorry, you guys. I'm not.
You scared me, bro.
I'm not okay. I'm just kidding.
Having an aneurysm.
I'm not. I'm just kidding.
Target,
not doing
Baba, Nvidia.
T-Cat, what is moving? Fuck T-Cat. I'm making my own NFTs. Yo, actually, never mind. Don't say that. T-Cat is ripping right now. All right, guys. This is where I pull the trigger on Roblox. Right here. I'm gonna watch this break. If it breaks this high and fills this wick, money. But otherwise, it's I'm up 28% on these contracts, so there's no reason why I can't take. Okay, there we go, perfect. All right, let's go for the wick fill. Roblox needs that volume. what do we need from the queues? The queues aren't doing jack shit, so Roblox is just trying to show some strength. NVIDIA going for low of day, like I said. I didn't tell it to do that, but I'm just kidding.
I told it to.
I said, you go for low of day right now. Let's go, Roblox! Oh, yes! Let's go! Woo! Diamond handed that one. Alright, if you're in Roblox, baby, you should be up around 41%, almost 50% on that, and that's just the icing on the cake for the positions that we've held today. We're at 88 right now. We need to see a break. Volume is rising. Let's get $90 here. Let's get $90. I think we could see $90, $2 move.
55, 30.
Oh, I'm gonna cry.
Airbnb, bro. Ah, dang, I wish I was on to catch that in the open.
I didn't even catch it at the open, dude. I caught it like probably, you know, when it was at like 150. You know, I mean, the open was at like 146.
You caught it at, where's my mouse? You caught it at 9:35.
Let's fucking go, dude.
Exactly. Yeah.
If I could have hopped on even around then, I would have.
Yeah, dude. I mean, I got 300% on that 155.
Dude,
That would have been.
I don't understand, Atlas, why we don't have like Avenger type head, like always on, like just touch your ear and like Atlas, Airbnb, like you be in bed sleeping, you know, but like always some type of link,
something connected.
you know, some link. All right, guys, if you're in a small account, you need to go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and close out.
Order filled.
I just got $113 on a small account for Roblox. Okay, small account trade is closed. Great job. I'm happy with this trade.
Yep, I took profit on Roblox too.
Congratulations, guys. I am fucking, excuse me my language, but I'm mad proud of a lot of you guys for securing the bag, not being greedy. So good on you guys. And if you, a lot of you who have already decided to walk away, also NFTs are running right now, Atlas. All Funkos, I just saw Funko too. Yeah, Funko's running up at the moment too for $19.
Keep an eye on paper for this bounce. It's bounced already, but just keep it on your watch. And I see new micron energy.
Please anyone help? I pressed sell out instead of buying put. Nadim, did you get that message? Nadim, were you not able to close out of that position? Yeah, Roblox is likely going to keep going. Because I cut early. It always does that.
I got a 180 on Baba that I'm thinking I'm just swinging based off what it's been doing.
I kind of want to shorten NVIDIA. Did anybody take NVIDIA? Neo Lithium long term. There you go.
Bam, it's still going.
You took NVIDIA? Nice. Tyler, take some profit. Take a nap. I know you've been up all night, dude.
TSP.
You didn't even give me the full LOL. He laughed out, and it just. I'm just messing with you. That's how tired you are, dude. Yeah, man. Take some profit whenever. Well, 215.34, of course, is that low of day. If we break 215.24, likely 215 retest. I'm not willing to short past a whole psychological number like 215, but that's on you. I would highly recommend taking profit. I am expecting a bounce on NVIDIA. I don't take short positions out on companies that move really. I'm sorry. If that wasn't the most perfect TP on Roblox, like just as far as like a scalp, that was fucking perfect. Literally at the top. That was at the top. Now we could potentially re-enter here. So see this little trend line that I just drew? So if it bounces and shows me strength here, it could build another launch pad right here and go for the $90 strike. So congratulations, guys. I'm happy as a clam right now with everything that we took. I cut DDD for a loss, but everything was perfect. Tuna, you swung NVIDIA puts? You're a bad boy. Welcome, by the way, Tuna. We'll figure out your account stuff, by the way. I don't know what happened there, but I saw your message, so. Big stepper, Baidu, nice job, man. Oh my god, beautiful exit on Roblox. Yeah, of course. So, Zon, one of the beautiful things. Are you in shop? Oh my god, you're crazy. Oh my gosh, you're in shop, and you're about to make the bag if you break 1550. All right, guys, go ahead, Georgie.
Did you take that the QFIM?
QFin? No, bro. I took profit on that a while back. If you entered recently?
Yeah.
No, I didn't get in. No, I didn't get in recently.
Yeah, look at it. It's at 21 now. It's up.
It's got
plus
some nice
70.
moves. Yeah, volume looks good on it too.
Hey, good fucking job on the video, man. Nice job.
Georgie, do they do crypto or no?
Hey,
No, they don't do crypto, and I don't know what they do. It's just like this.
this is exactly why I said TP NVIDIA. Shopify! Austin! Yes, man! Nice! Sorry, I get pumped for you guys. I shorted, you take it long. You're surprised I didn't take GameStop? Yeah, man. I can't do it.
We've got too many things better than GameStop today.
Yeah,
Yeah,
AMC.
Airbnb.
Yeah.
10 times better.
Much better.
It's still going.
ECAT is going nuts.
Dude, that's the one that I just grabbed a few shares of. Hold on. What are we doing? Hi-yuck! Let's go. I didn't think it was worth grabbing.
You entered last time at 7, right?
Yes, I did. I just got like I was just thinking that in my head. I was like, I just bought this like damn near the same fill that I did last time. That's hilarious. Yeah, dude, we bought TCAT on the pullback. Once it hit $9, it pulled back to 7, and we grabbed it again, dude. That's amazing.
And that's when it went to like what,
21.
20 something or 30?
Yeah, yeah, guys.
Went to him at 67 days.
I know I had FOMO on that one. Bad. I'm sorry, but with the amount of money that you can make, we're gonna make with NFTs, like it's no surprise that you're seeing like things like, and they're going to continue to innovate. You may not remember this. In fact, maybe we probably weren't talking like as much, so we may have not even known that I was doing this, but I was working with like promoting this 3D digital art space. This is for NFTs. This was last year, right? I knew this guy who started basically a 3D gallery, right? That you could go and visit someone's gallery and hang
With
out.
an Oculus, right?
Right. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, you told me about it.
Remember, I tried to get people to invest in that because, can you imagine?
No, I mean that's like.
I was trying to be a shareholder, like a literal like here's shares, let's see what happens. And the dude quit during COVID. He shut everything down. I was like,
That's the worst time to shut it down.
yeah. Ooh, Tesla easing the rash that is red. That is.
Active broker group launches prepaid MasterCard in Canada.
What? That's fire.
IPKR, the ticker. Still not much movement so far. Let's see.
Man, that was nasty on Roblox. But I think we might get a bounce here. All right, here's the potential re-entry level on Roblox. So basically 87, 83. Watch the bounce here. Otherwise, this one goes to back to VWAP.
Tesla's repping.
There it is. Oh! As soon as I put that light on it, I was like, let me go and break that.
AMC.
Sheesh. Dude, we're printing today. It's time to step away. It's time to step away. So I'm going to start charting stuff for people, taking your guys' requests for positions that you're in. And guys, I would be a bad example if I didn't hop off, but I will not be on as late as 3 o'clock. I will likely be on a little bit earlier, so probably around 2:30. That was Tesla right there. Beautiful break and downtrend for the morning bell. AMC is moving as well. I'm in AMC. TCAT. God damn. Sorry.
It's going.
There's probably new people listening to be like, what is wrong with this guy?
Just a mixture of coffee and
No food.
stonks.
ADHD.
Facebook. Look at Facebook. It's just neglect.
Oh. Okay. Sorry. I may grab another call on Roblox. Hold on 1 second.
Yeah.
Do you see? Yeah. Do you see that bounce? I think it has more juice in it. I'm debating the 90 here. What do you think? $90 call. It's at 125.
Order rejected.
Oh, I put that in the wrong broker. Oops. All right, try that one. There we go. Will crypt if I
Pfizer
Yeah.
folio.
yeah, that's the whole
Pfizer.
point, Gayla. But I mean, I could still show you how to do that without you joining. You don't have to join. Plug. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm in Roblox now, lightly. So I'm gonna go. I got that $90 call for Roblox. I'm a little bit bummed at the entry there, but I would have liked to get a better fill. No way. Did we
Pfizer's at a really strong support. If anybody
Mobo? Fuck, dude.
could-
Amazing. This is exactly what we figured would happen, I think, right? It's kind of perfectly lining up with our analysis. Oh, you broke downtrend. You broke downtrend, dude. Fuck yeah, man. Excuse my language. I'm sorry I'm cussing a lot this morning, guys. Kiss your mother with that mouth. Mom? Oh god. Oh, Nick! No way. Nick hit me to it. Yo, Austin, you should be so great on Shopify right now. If you're in shop, 1550 target broken. Yo, T-Mobile is giving out 3 months of Discord Nitro free. Wait till Airbnb or Roblox starting to move here towards a high day. I think we get another massive candle tonight. I'm adding to my position. Adding to Roblox here. Adding to Roblox.
Tesla just broke a resistance. Well, I'm going to hold. Let's see if this thing's just going to wick and chill.
Yo, Airbnb, let's go.
Let's do it.
Yo, 157 on Airbnb, bro. That's crazy.
I have major FOMO on the Airbnb move.
Dude, this is crazy.
I'm just trying to remedy it with TCAT right now.
Yeah.
I have that 180 call or something.
No,
Hold on.
I took profit on that, bro. Last pop right before earnings.
Dude, I
Alright.
got these for $50. They're worth $415 right now.
All right, guys. Stop loss on Roblox for me is below the 9-day moving average here. So if we wick below and break this trend line, I'm out. I'll cut them, no problem, for minimal loss. Is there any way I could go over calls and shorts? And what site do I use? What site for what? For charting, TradingView, for trading, TradeStation. TradeStation. I need to get somebody with a PlayStation voice to do like a PlayStation, like TradeStation. In AMD for a bounce. Yeah, I'm in Roblox here lightly. It rejected the high of day, but could go for one more tap, which would make an ascending triangle. So that's what I'm waiting for here. There it is. Okay, not all the way, but dude, C3 AI, so good. I'm so glad, dude. We nailed that analysis, so I'm really happy that's starting to break out. I'll keep an eye on that one, but I'm thinking $52, $53 is your next target. for continuation. I'm buying a little bit of TCAT once it pulls back, if it pulls back. Are you in DDD? Oh my God, it's gonna go now. Are you still in DDD? Yes, yes. You're a badass, Vinny. And you know what? I shouldn't have really even signaled a cut because it never broke trend. And I went over that last night. I said, where am I going to cut this contract? The reason why I cut my contract today for minimal loss is because I couldn't manage the position with the position that I already had open in other positions. So like, in order to trim exposure and give myself less stress, I had to do that. Yeah. So I shook the list high probability trades off, and I took the higher probability trades and put more into it. So
I'm trimming half of my TCAP position and letting the other half run.
Like you said,
guys, if you guys ever gotten the DATs, like they were literally up every day, and I'm still in the trade. So
yeah, DATs is ripping.
I've been in it since IPO day, and I mentioned it 2 Fridays ago.
Yep,
I think,
it's breaking. Are
Friday.
you adding? Did you add today?
I added over the past few days. I keep adding. I have 1,000 shares now.
Okay.
My average is 4.20, and it's trading at 7.40 right now.
DKNG. Trade flow, guys, for UPST just came in too. Don't sleep on that setup. 109.91. Dat chat's moving nicely, dude.
Atlas, you remember 10 cent music, TME?
Is it going now?
Yeah, I shorted.
Yeah, I remember you took it short for earnings, right?
No.
Hey, sorry. I'm taking I'm gonna take Upstart. Hold on one second. Oh, give me my
I flipped them. I flipped it long. I took a profit. I flipped long. Look
Oh
at
my
it.
God.
It's $2 move almost.
Alright, I'm gonna scalp.
Oh, that's the. Go ahead, Garrett.
I'm just scalping a 110 contract on Upstart for this week. Or motherfucker. Brain, do what I tell you to do.
Whatever.
Say what I say.
Georgie, that's a really good entry long there, man. You're filling the gap, by the way,
I'm in.
on a daily.
I'm leaving it for now.
I just got in, dude. I just got. Go ahead.
Okay.
No, you're fine. Go.
No, you go.
I just got filled right there before 110 hit, so I'm about to go in the money. If anybody got into UPST, I'm in one contract, and that's it. Go ahead, guys. Sorry.
At the 5 minutes, look like it's gonna make come and handle. TME.
I could see that, yeah.
Wow, that chat.
Even if you look at let's see.
Yo, dat chat. Damn.
Yeah, bro. No, dude, I've been saying it for like a whole week.
I know.
Nobody got. I don't think anybody got in with me. Like I asked a couple people in the chat. I think like somebody got in for like 2 days and then sold for profit, which I don't blame you. Like I mean, if you got in for some profit, like I don't blame you. You know.
I didn't get it.
You didn't get in, yeah. No, I got in on IPO day when it IPO'd on Friday, I think.
There, I don't think I was there.
No, I don't think you might have not been on live. You might have been
Yeah.
off already.
Dat chat.
Mhm. But I just liked the business model. The business model sounded really cool, and I was like, all right, screw it, I'll buy some shares. And then I did a little bit of research over the weekend after I had bought some on the IPO, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna add it. And then I noticed that volume on it was starting to get really high, and it's a low flow. So this thing's got like I think like 10 million shares, and like this thing's traded well over 10 million shares almost every day. So or not over 10 million shares. It's got 4 million or 5 million float. Let me make sure. Hold on.
All right, guys. Hey, guys. We're getting close to cut time. I'm gonna go ahead and cut Roblox here below 87.75. So.
Yes, Baba.
Yeah, Baba's looking good for 172.50. Don't hold too long on these ones, guys.
I'm thinking about holding the Baba 180 until tomorrow, just because of the way it's been, you know, gapping up.
If you go look
the
at
market.
previous runs up on like when during this whole China FUD, any time like it pops up like this, like the reversals are bad. Like the reversals are like $10-$20 reversals. So that's the only reason sorry.
I only got one.
Dollar Tree. Damn, Dollar Tree's about to go for 105. What does 105 contracts on Dollar Tree cost? Because Dollar Tree can pay, oddly enough. You guys remember when I used to roast Dollar Tree Atlas like all the time?
Oh, all the time, dude. You traded that thing regularly.
Okay, if you're an upstart, yep.
Roku never really bounced. It might bounce here.
I love Astro. They just Venmo me instead. Don't lose. Yeah, don't. AMD and Nvidia stole your money today. Taj, what happened, bro? Bad calls. All right, if you guys, I just cut Roblox. I'm out. Market filled. I'll re-enter, guys. Minimal loss, no loss, really in my eyes. Upstart, honestly, I'm green on that one. So if you guys took Upstart with me, you're at 211. You're $1 in the money. So I think we could see 215 if you're still in.
Hey Manny, I don't recommend adding DATs here. Like, I would not recommend adding DATs because I really see this thing popping out around 10. I would wait for a pullback to like the 5s and add at the 5s, but I would not add, like, I'm not adding any to my position here, and I wanted to, but it's too high right now.
Wow, Biden huddles G7 as Taliban rejects evacuation deadline extension. This all seems way too fucking official. Excuse me.
You remember CSCW?
CSCW.
I do remember that one. Yeah, wow, that one's...
Me as well.
Can I have some of that one? What's that do?
I think Nick as well, he played it to $2 this time.
I don't remember this at all.
What did they do?
I don't know what they do, but they announced last time they are going to do NFT. That's why it's ripping today as well. With the NFT.
Oh shit. Color Star signs Shaquille O'Neal as celebrity instructor. There you go. It just came out. It came out
For
5
what?
minutes ago.
What did they do?
I have no idea, but Shaquille O'Neal's in it. Let's see. Tuesday. Okay, so the name of the company is. Okay, so they have a subsidiary called Color China Entertainment, who has signed basketball star Shaquille O'Neal as a celebrity instructor on the Color Star app. Under the deal, Shaquille O'Neal will teach basketball and share related content on the interactive entertainment platform. There you go.
Okay.
So, if you download the app, you will learn basketball from Shaq. Just don't practice with free throws with him.
Wait, is Uber going? Because I see on the phone.
No, Shaq is not the best investor of our time. That goes to some janitor who lived in DC and never told anybody that he was a multi-millionaire.
Clover House. Clove.
I'm the best.
Whoa, where'd that clove handle come from?
The Wall Street Bets boys. They're pushing this shit.
Let's go, baby. Squeeze.
Market selling on TradeStation. I TP'd some of my TP. Be careful, market. Okay, so let me give you guys a quick tip. Are you in D-Nut, my G? Yes, I'm in the D-Nut. Why is it moving now? No, it's not. It's pulling back to the support that we needed to. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, you guys. Roblox hasn't faked us out yet. My entry on Roblox, but yes, it did. I cut it at the 9-day moving average break. Now I'm scalping this, so I think that it still goes, so just keep your contracts ready.
AMD reversed and the volume started climbing down.
All right, I'm about to be out of Upstart. Son of a bitch! Thanks, eToro. I know that Cardano is down 8.2% after I bought it. Shut up.
You've got
I just put like some spare change into Cardano and like whatever.
That broker was awful, bro.
I have like you know me, dude. I have like multitude. I try them all, so I have a multitude.
you know, the last time, I don't know if you remember, I got best.
Order
because
rejected.
It was like the whole day long, the platform was down. I couldn't trade, I couldn't do anything.
That's
I
fucked up.
remember you couldn't
Order
sell at
filled.
all.
Yes.
Was that during the whole Wall Street Bets thing with AMC or game?
Around that time.
Yeah.
Hey, go ahead.
No, I was gonna say they probably just like said, "Oh, we're not gonna let people sell. We're just gonna shut off the whole thing."
Meanwhile, Baba Hive Day.
Clove, guys. I'm in Clove.
I just bought some clothes too.
Let's go. Let's go.
I gotta stop giggling at the potential to lose money. I'm like,
Open.
Oh.
Open. I see the volume. Open door. Mobo, that's yours. Open door.
D-Nut is at pivot point.
You keep fuck's sake, Facebook.
If we break below $16 on D-Nut, you can get out if you want, but I'm gonna hold my contract. They're out till September. Okay, Roblox here. Roblox here. Watch Roblox right now, right here. Let's go. Hold on. Sorry, I didn't mean to sound so bossy. Shut up, Garrett. Alright. Alright, $90 calls are at 137. Let's watch this. Let's see if we get that 88.30 mark.
Baba 172. 11.
Simple Stacks is saving my marriage today. Where is that? Hold on, where's that
You got a
comment?
screenshot of that?
Yeah, can I get a screenshot of that? Oh, you're cinnamon apple.
Just make those NFTs.
You don't know how much that screen name means to me.
That guy with Disney and this guy. Make them NFTs.
I gotta tweet it. I'm
Bro.
sorry, dude.
I just got an email from my broker that says, "Warning: you have entered an extremely volatile stock."
Okay, so what?
For what? Thank you.
Okay, that
Oh
wish.
god, I spelled counselors wrong. I'm sorry, dude. That's the funniest.
Oh man.
Hey guys.
Yes. Talking about Clove. Go ahead.
Dude, I'm gonna screenshot this tweet. Hold on. Yo, let's go. Let's go. Look at this. I tweeted Oreo cookies, bro. Did you see that tweet?
We deserve all your stuff. Let's take a look into this for you. Could you DM us the UPC? What happened? Why'd you tweet him?
I said.
I'll go look.
No, I got it right here. I'll send you the link. I said, as an investor at Oreo, I was like, I don't think investors are gonna be mad if you just fill the cookie. This is a noticeable cutback on icing. Is this inflation-based icing cutback? I said, Kroger cookies fit to gas y'all.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, right there. Look at that Oreo, dude. Look at
That is pretty sad.
So they just tweeted me. They're probably gonna send me some Oreos. What if they send
Who
me
owns Oreo, by the way?
Hasbro? And then Hasbro's owned by craft, right? I think.
Toro,
Yeah, I
that
think-
one, that's those one that they do the Monopoly.
Yes, you're right, Georgie. They own like so many different.
Yeah, it's huge. It's kind of like a Monopoly or something.
It's a game Monopoly, bro.
They own Monopoly.
The game?
Yeah.
Yeah. You never played Monopoly?
It's
Yeah.
owned by Hasbro.
I don't remember if I've ever played it, but I remember
You don't show
watching other people play it.
stocks, but Google run been huge RSIs hinting reversal.
Okay, all right, Roblox. If you're green for the day, you don't have to enter. I'm up 56% on my $9 call on Clove. $90 call is at 147. I'm gonna go ahead and ride. I'm in. $90 call Roblox here.
Up on TCAT and up on Clove still. Feel free to trim your TCAT or do
$90 call this week. Guys, small accounts, please be okay with taking contracts that are further out in expiration and having less size if you are not. Okay, major FOMO on Upstart. Don't look at it. Nope.
Georgie called it.
He said that it would go more.
Mm-hmm.
Why did I listen to Georgie? Oh my god.
That's a good bounce at the open too.
I'm gonna write a children's book called Why Didn't I Listen to Georgie?
All right.
All right, don't burst with excitement or anything, dude.
No, I said right. Not all right.
Oh.
Watch what cards.
Krispy Kreme, nice bounce off support.
Workhorse break of downtrend. Well, no, not really, but close to, almost.
There we go. Do I consider a gap up on Baba, for example, as a flagpole? Yes, that can be a flagpole. You can actually usually, if you... This is a tip. If you guys didn't hear me last night, there's not a lot of people on live last night. But if you are having trouble charting, please go... You don't be afraid. All right? Don't ever let anybody tell you that you're right. Like there's a right and wrong way to do stuff like this. It's totally okay to go to the line graph and chart the lines. Professionals do that. Chart line graphs. It makes it easier. Just throwing that out there. He does it. Plunger does it. I do it.
T-shirt.
600%. My God, Astro, diamond hands are nothing.
We gotta ship Astro out here and nail his hand to the just not let me slap.
You can't nail it, bro. It's made of diamonds.
You need some type of dark matter, heavy, dense
Something.
to set on top of his hands. I got the most FOMO on Upstart. It makes my stomach hurt. Oh God. All right, I'm about to go ahead and leave these Roblox, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab one for next week. But I'm green for the day, guys, and I gotta stop trading, or I'm gonna end up losing money. But can I look at any stocks for anybody? Chart anything? Amazon? Okay.
Amazon just hit high of day.
Ooh, yuck. Well, you got a downtrend that you have to retest. That downtrend starts at that high there. I see Amazon, Georgie. I think Amazon goes for a gap fill soon. You've got a massive gap starting at 330. 330. Why am I blanking? 3. Why can't I say this number right now? 33.85. I just couldn't spit it out. My brain does that with the dyslexia stuff.
Dyslexia all the time.
I am dyslexia. But 330, 82. That's where that gap starts right there, and the gap ends around 3,600. So All right, guys, we're getting yanked around here. I believe that Roblox just extended this pattern. So take a look at what Roblox has just done. It has decided now that since it can't just go higher, it's going to extend itself into a wedge. So we should get one last bounce. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and no, not swinging Roblox. This is right now. This is.
Cat position.
Oh my T-Cat.
Hargendurgen.
T-Catalicious.
Order rejected.
Oh, why? What'd I do?
Order rejected.
Oh, that's why. You can't do that, Garrett. That's illegal. Not illegal.
What are you talking about? Are they doing CFDs?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, Clove is at 840. Shit, I'll hold that contract. Yeah, Upstart's probably gonna skyrocket. I'm not gonna lie. Watch Upstart to potentially go back up to 220. That might end up being a good swing trade. No, I'm not swinging Roblox. I'm probably gonna wait for the next tick up and just take profit. If it gets to 88.75, I'll take profit. All right. So anyway, Amazon, I would expect for, especially with this broken downtrend here, for at least an attempt at that previous high. So above 3317 or 3317, 3320, you should see 3388. Upstart looks strong, guys. Upstart. Watch, there it goes. Watch Upstart. Guys, if you remember the cyclical movement that we have seen from Upstart, you remember that once it bounces off of its daily 9-day moving average, that it usually will move parabolically and make a strong move to the upside. We have tracked this now 3 times, 3 earnings. I think that it's highly probable that Upstart goes for the 220 resistance again. So you guys can play that. I'm going to grab a 220 call for next week, I think, and I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to set a stop loss on that one below 215 and let it ride. So I'm done for the day trading. So if you guys have any further requests, let me know. Can I check out ROKU, TCAT price target, or is it a swing? Unfortunately, they're going to be trading that one in live. I am in TCAT very lightly. I think so is Atlas. So, I mean, honestly... if you, I would say, you know, like $9 is a good price target. This thing has ran really, really hard before with the NFT news. Honestly, it's kind of a speculative play. That's why I don't have a full size position on it. But once that momentum and volume leaves, I would say if you want, just hit up the free trial. And if you want, you can just trade today and cancel tomorrow, whatever you need to do. I'm about to hop off and shut down the YouTube stream. So, I am going to be getting, yeah, Affirm does look sick. I actually looked at that last night. Okay, so ROKU is resting on the 4-hour 9-day moving average and daily 9-day moving average as well. Okay, so check this out. Look where you're at. Start from this low. Run that up. And you fix it a little bit. There we go. So that's your support. Looks like you're getting a bounce off support at the moment. And you are trading within this channel. So if you're going to end up getting a reversal, that reversal will occur above 360. Otherwise, right now you're being compressed or pushed down against that channel low. So 355.87 would be where I would look to take that to the downside. So Sony, is anybody in Sony, by the way? I am likely going to take a 105 call for a swing tomorrow. So I'm actually going to enter that now, and I'm going to do next week. So 1 second, let me... And yeah, it's probably going to be a weekly. Did you guys TP Sony? Those of you who swung Sony? By the way, if you bought those calls at $80, you should have been able to sell them for $200. That's a beautiful return, by the way. That's why I love swinging Sony. I'm grabbing a Sony 105 fall August 27th at $50 or 50 cents. Okay.
If anybody got B big a couple days ago with me, you should be up 15%. We bought it on Monday, or not Monday, but Friday, I think.
Did you see my TikTok this morning, dude?
No, is it on, did you repost it anywhere?
I'm back. I'm alive again on there, but you should go look at the last video that I posted. It's pretty funny. I think I'm gonna start another Weeble or Robinhood challenge.
Do it on Weeble instead. Do a Robinhood challenge on
I'm gonna do both. I'm literally gonna start doing like broker rent. Like I'm gonna just do all brokers.
All brokers. Gotta catch them all, bro.
All right, I'm done. I'm done.
What
I'm
do you
done.
think of, what do you think of Tesla right here, dude?
I'll take a look at it. Sorry. Hold on, please. Look at your inbox.
Where?
Hold on, I'm sitting on here. Hold on, I'm sending it to you. Look at that picture, dude. That's hilarious.
Oh my god. Wow. Is that on the TikTok?
No. No, I just.
Like, oh boy.
Yeah. Look at Amazon's moving nicely, dude. Watch for Amazon to hopefully.
Good volume today.
Yeah, you got a decent setup for potential reversal. I think you see. I think $3,400 is a. That's a YOLO swing though.
Yeah, I think it's achievable. I think it's just got quite a bit of ways to go.
All right, everybody on YouTube, be sure to join us at pre-market prep tomorrow. Watch a Victoria's Secret stock today too as well. But I will more than likely just be on live recapping with the Discord, but I will put out a post if anything changes. But I do appreciate you guys supporting the channel, hopping in. Hopefully you guys ended up having a great day. Those of you who joined and are new, welcome. Make sure to reach out and DM me, say hello, let me know what you're working with, and if you need to talk and set up a one-on-one, we can do so. So, but otherwise, love you. Otherwise, have a great day. Stay safe. Don't overtrade. Eat your greens. Eat your veggies. Any swing trades before the end? I took Sony for a 105 call for this week as a kind of a, not a YOLO, but calculated scratch off ticket.
DM us. Oh, go ahead.
I was going to say, all swing trades, that's the difference between the YouTube and the actual Discord, is you can see all of our admin signals. And so we'll be signaling swing trades towards the end of the day. It's a little early to start putting our foot out there, in the direction of that, of a swing trade, not knowing the way that we're going to finish the day. So I do see 185 calls coming in for Baba, though.
Keep an eye on ATER. ATER.
Got you.
Atarian or Trarian, whatever. Words.
Also, if you guys don't use Benzinga Pro, those of you on YouTube, Benzinga Pro is really, really worth it. I like it a lot. I can look at Facebook for you before I go. No problem. If you guys caught that upstart call, dude, what the fuck? Yeah, I nailed that one. That was awesome. So honestly, looking at Facebook, it's at that level. It either breaks and makes a nice strong move. I would anticipate 370 as a move for Facebook to the upside. 370, 150 is a mark that I would also watch. Yeah, no problem, Austin. I'm glad you had a great day. I know you got Shopify, so it had to have been a pretty damn good day. That was one hell of a move on Shop. One hell of a move. I see.
Well done, Austin.
Yeah, well done. This one had a great break. Watch for a retest potentially of 366, 365 on, I would say 366.50 of Facebook at some point. It does look primed to continue. And the volume is relatively high. Also, keep in mind that TCAT is going for $9.
For the moon.
I'm just in the middle of analysis. I'm like, but anyway, as far as I can see, Facebook is on its way to 370. And looking at the setup, it could even go take a crack at the previous highs around 372. So, all right, I think that's it. I'm gonna go play with Ellie. Go take her to the park. I am up 20% on it. I think, should I walk away? You need to be watching volume. That's going to be your number one thing. So pay attention to the way this volume is. Look at it in comparison to yesterday, and you're already starting to see a decline in volume. But in retrospect, you are above average. So as long as you hold that above average, once that volume goes down, you will get a pullback. So if you're in weeklies, that's where things get tricky. If you're in long positions, and this is why I set up the positions that I do, guys. If I see something long, I don't buy the weekly contract, even though it's cheaper. I spend the money, I buy the target, and then I scalp whatever happens in between. Because guess what feels better than taking profit? Is taking profit and having a position in place that is not only has insurance, aka time, behind it, but it also, you've now taken and paid for a lot of the original trade. So Facebook is a great example of setting a target, selecting a target, and then utilizing weekly options that we don't need to be holding on to as long in order to capitalize or and it takes practice. Trust me, it takes a lot of practice, but that's the goal. All right. You guys have a good afternoon. Good evening, Facebook. Peace. Or YouTube. Sorry. They all blur together. All right.